In this video, I will demonstrate how you can sell your domain name using GoDaddy. First, ensure that you are logged into your GoDaddy account and navigate to your username in the top right-hand corner. From there, click on My Products to access your domain. Locate the specific domain you wish to sell and click on Manage to enter the backend of the domain. Once the page has loaded, go to Domain Settings and you will find an option to list the domain for sale. Click on List for Sale to open the corresponding window. In this window, you will see text stating that thousands of domains are sold daily by people like yourself. Click on Get Started and input your desired buy now price. This price will act as a firm offer for potential buyers. Additionally, you can enable bidding if you wish. For instance, set the buy now price at $1,000. There is also an option to add a landing page to your domain indicating that it is for sale. Check or uncheck this depending on your preference. In this case, let's uncheck it for the video demonstration. Once you have configured your listing, click on Publish to make it live. You will receive a prompt informing you that the listing is almost ready, and at this stage, you need to create an account on a website called AfterNick. Please note that AfterNick is owned by GoDaddy, so it's necessary to connect the two platforms. Once you have created your AfterNick account, navigate to the List My Domain section where you will find your domain listing for sale. Close this window and refresh the previous page. You will notice a Sell Now button, which allows you to edit your listing. Clicking on this button will redirect you to AfterNick where your domain is listed. Take note of the binary price, which is set at $1,000, and the minimum offer of $650, which is pre-filled by GoDaddy. The minimum offer indicates that if someone offers $650, you can decide whether to accept it or not. To verify whether your domain is indeed for sale, open a new GoDaddy window and search for the domain. You will see that it is classified as a premium domain with a price of $1,000. Potential buyers can click on Get It to initiate the purchase process. Please keep in mind that the currency conversion shown is in pounds, but the actual price remains at $1,000. If someone buys your domain, you will earn the full amount specified, serving as payment for selling your domain.